Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. So today we are here to discuss the problem insert zero and invert prefix. So in this question we will be given a sequence A of length n, and each element of which is either can be 0 or that can be 1. Now a sequence B which is initially empty, and we are going to perform some operation. The counter operation is n, and on each of them you will increase the length of B by 1. And what is the operation? That on the ith operation we will choose an integer p from 0 to I minus 1, and we will insert 0 in the sequence at position p plus 1, and after the p elements, okay, that means after the p elements, and then you will invert the first p elements of the b. Now what is this operation is saying? That just think that over a like condition of b is this is the sequence b which we have get. Now we are going to perform the next operation, and what is the count of that? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we are going to perform the seventh operation. Why? Because we know that on the each operation we are going to perform the increase the length of b by 1. So now that will be seventh operation. Now on the seventh operation, he is saying that we will choose a index from 0 to I minus 1, that is 6. Now what are these positions? That is okay, this is our zeroth position. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. These are the total 7% which we can choose. Now he is saying that insert 0 on the position p plus 1. Now just think that we are choosing or p equal to 3. Now 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we will be inserting 0 here, and the right side sequence which will remain same. So that will be 0, 1, 0, and the left side sequence will be inverted. So that will be 1, 0, and 1. So this is the sequence B which we will get after the seventh operation. Now this is the basic like how we are going to perform the operation. Now what is our task? That determine if there exists a sequence of operation that makes B equal to A. So we know that initially B will be empty, and we are going to perform an operation on this B, and our target is to make this B equal to A. Now understand with it with the test cases like in this first one. Our target is to convert B in 1, 1, 0, 0, and 0 after performing total 5 operations. Now how we can perform? So like here, this is given that first of all B is empty. This is our first operation. So how many choices we have? That is from 0 to I minus 1. That is 1 minus 1. That is also 0. So we have only one person. That is this one. So we are going to insert a 0 here. Now on second operation, this is the sequence which we have now. And how many choices we have? That is 0 to 1. So a choice can be this one, or another one can be this one. So here he is saying that we are going to choose b equal to 0. So if you are choosing this one, so b will be insert 0 here. Right side will be remain same and left side will be inverted, but there are no elements in left side. So on the third option, this is the b which we will get from the second option. Now we have total 0 to 2 choices, that is 0, 1, and 2. So he's saying that choose p equal to 2. Now on the fourth operation, what we will get? P equal to 2, 0, 1, 2. So we are going to insert 0 here. So we are going to insert 0 here. So 0 is here, and right side elements will be remain same, but there are no elements in right side. Left side elements will be inverted. So 0, 0 will be converted into 1 and 1. So this is the sequence which we will get after performing this third operation. Okay. Now in the fourth operation, so there it is before first operation. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth operation. In this one, we have total 4 choices, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to choose p equal to 1. So insert 0 here. So 0, right side will be remain same, that is 1. 0. Left side will be inverted. So 1 will be converted into 0. So this is the sequence which we are getting. And in the last operation, we have total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 choices. He is saying that choose p equal to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to insert 0 here. Right side, same. Left side, inverted. 1, 1, 0. So this is the same edge we are getting here. So this is the how we are going to perform the operation and how we are getting the sequence A by performing this type of operation. Now we are going to discuss that how generalize this approach. So first of all, think like I am choosing the same sequence about which we are considering as of now. In this one, just tell me that like think like this is the sequence which we are getting on the our fourth operation. Now on the fifth operation, I can choose that I am inserting 0 here. From that, what will happen? That 0, 0, 0, and these two will be inverted. This is the same we are getting as of on the sequence A. Now, what I want to say that on the any condition, if you getting all zeros, like what is our target now? That on the fourth operation, you should get all zeros, and for that, there is the basic sequence of operation that choose only 0, 0, 0, 0. How? Like first of all, B will be this one. Then you choose 0, so this will be 0. Then you choose again 0. What is the mean of 0? That is insert 0 on the first position. So there will not be any elements on the left side. So there will not be any condition like invert elements, and right side will be remain same. So again 0, 0. Again choose 0. So that will be 0, 0. Again choose. Then that will be 0, 0, 0. So you can get this sequence by performing only operation by choosing only zeros. And for this one, what you need to do that you are going to convert two ones, two zeros into two ones. So for that, what you need to do that after two zeros, insert zero. After two zeros, insert zero. What will happen from that? You will insert a zero here, and the elements which are before, which are left side in this zero, will be converted into one. So these two zeros will be converted into this one. So, this is how we are going to perform this operation. So this is only for the like on the left side only ones and on the right side only zeros. Now just think for the sequence like this one. What you can do in this one. For that, what you need to do is start from the right side. I am going to perform the option. You will get that how we are going to do that. First of all, insert zero. Okay. Then again insert zero on the zeroth person. Then again insert zero. Then again insert zero. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you know that we want to convert three zeros into three ones. Can I insert a zero here? Can I insert a zero here? What will happen from that? This is zero, right side zero will be remain same. A zero is here, and these three zeros will be converted into three ones. This is how we are getting this sequence. Now because again there is zero, so I am choosing again the zeroth person. Insert 0 here. Again choose 0th person, insert 0. Again choose 0th person, insert 0. Again 0. Now you know that we need to convert two ones into two zeros into two ones. So can I insert a 1 here, 0 here? What will happen from that? This one will be 0, then this will be same, and these two will be converted into two ones. So this is how we are getting the sequence. So what is the general approach like how we are going to perform this in the code? So for that, what you need to do that if anywhere you are getting like this type of condition 0 and 1, then you know that this is the condition which where I need to convert some zeros into some ones on for this one you need to convert some ones into some zeros into some ones. So if you are getting a condition where you are starting from the right side, and if you are getting some condition like this one, then what you need to do, they just count that how many ones are here. Like you can get that three ones are here. So what we were doing that 0, 1, 2 and 3, we were inserting our 0 on the third person. So from that what I want to say, that if you are getting somewhere 0 and 1, you are here and you know that our last element is 1, then what will you say that if you are inserting that 1, then what you need to do, that count how many ones are there and insert a 0 on that one, on that index of operation. So continue this till on zeroth operation, like till zeroth index. So see the code that you will get how we are going to do that. Now this is the condition code. Know that how on the which condition we are getting now. If anywhere in the last of sequence there is one, how that can be? What is the idea that you are going to invert some element? But if you are inserting some element here, then only you can invert this one. But this is on the last, so there cannot be any condition in which this can be inverted, because we are inserting only zeros. We are not inserting ones. We are inserting only zeros. And if this is inverted, then there only can be one possibility in which this can be inverted. That is that we are inserting a zero on the right side, but there is not any right place. So in that case, we will print no. And in other side, what we are going to do, that if you are getting array is equal to zero, then like on both condition we are going to insert a zero. On the zeroth person we are going to perform the operation. But if you are getting a zero and you know the previous element is one, that is the condition which I am discussing previously, that you are getting this type of condition. Like what we are doing here, insert zero, insert again zero, insert again zero, insert again zero, and this is the condition on which you know that now I need to insert a one zero here. From that this will happen. Okay, so like just take a zero here. Now instead of this, can I say that insert a zero, insert a again zero, insert again zero? I'm on this one, this. Currently I'm on this one, and I have inserted three zeros. Now I am on this one. I have inserted one more zero on the zeroth index. Now I am in this one, and I am inserting an again zero. Yeah, I am inserting that. This is the thing which I have got. Now you know that I am getting a zero, but the previous element was a one. So for that, you know that I insert a zero on the wrong person in that operation. So what you need to do, that pop this zero and insert zero on the third person. Why? Because these all are three ones. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and 3. So you will insert here. From that you will get this one, and now again insert a 0 for this one. So that is that how we are going to do this one. So like if previous was 1, then pop that, because you have inserted on the 0th person, that is not correct. You have to insert on the count person, and then we are making that the count is 0. If you are getting 1, then previous was 1, insert 0 and count plus plus. So the idea is that on every person you are inserting 0. But if you are anywhere getting like 0 is current element is 0, and but previous element which is right side of this 0 was 1. So for that you know that for that one I inserted 0 on the 0th person, which is not correct. So for that you pop back element. So that is you are popping 0. Then you are inserting count. What is count? That is the count of element, count of ones. So you are going to perform the operation on the count person, and there can be some condition in which the leftmost element is 1, so for that I'm also writing the same condition like this one in the last, and in the simply I'm going to print the sequence of the operation. So that was a tricky concept, but I hope you all get it. See you in the next one. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.